How to fix message not sending problem on Messenger. So if you ever had a problem of sending a message on Messenger and it is showing that it couldn't send, well, this is the video for you. Subscribe and click the notification button on for more videos like this. So what you would do first is go to the Play Store and search for the Messenger app. Once you found the Messenger app on the Play Store, just check if there are available updates on the app, and if not, just leave it and it tells you that the app is already updated. What we would do next is go to the settings. Once you are in the settings, go to the app management. After that, go to the app list, and in the app list, search for the Messenger app. Once you are able to locate the Messenger app, go and find the storage. Here you can find the clear cache and clear data. We would choose the clear data and it would clear all the data in the Messenger app. So right after that, you will be able to send the message properly and with no problems. So I hope this helps and see you on the next video.